Hey guys, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Guys, today I am going to show about this trending reel which you have seen in the preview. Guys, if you want to edit this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, to edit this video you need VN application. VN application easily find your Play Store. So first install the VN application. After that when you open this app you will get interface like this. Guys, you need 8 photos to edit this trend. To import the 8 photos, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the 8 photos from your phone library. Okay guys, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. You can see guys, you have to take photos like this. Now guys, first you delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16, okay, to increase your video quality, and this is the Instagram ratio. Okay, now guys, you will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. So guys, first open that link and download the reel video. After that you will click on the plus icon on here and click the music option to extract the music. Okay, then guys, click on the plus icon and here you will get extract from video option and click on this option and select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. So guys, I have to select that reel. Now you have to click on the OK option, then click on the choose option, and guys have to done from here and music will be added. Now guys, we will trim the photos according to music. So first I trim the photos. After that I will tell you the photo durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay, okay guys, you have seen how to trim the photos. Now note the photos durations. Guys, first photo duration you will keep 1.82 second and next photo duration is 1.5 second. Okay, then guys, third photo duration is 0.77 second you will keep, and next photo duration is 0.85 second, then 1.19 second next photo duration, and then you will keep next photo duration is 2.73 second, and other photo duration is 1.3 second, and last photo duration you will keep 0.39 second. Okay guys, you have to keep the durations like this and your video will be perfect. Now guys, we will apply the effects into the photos. So first you have to click on this joint, okay, and apply the black animation from here and keep the full duration of this animation. Okay, 1.37 second you will keep. Now guys, have to done from here. Okay, now have to click on the second joint and here you will get zoom animation. Click on this animation and also keep the full duration of this effects. Okay, now guys, have to done from here again. Now click on the third joint and apply the zoom in animation and will keep full duration and have to done from here. Now guys, have to click on the next joint and again have to apply the zoom animation and keep the full duration of 0.47 second. Okay, now have to done from here again. Guys, have to click on the next joint and again you have to apply the zoom in animation for full duration. Okay, now have to done from here. Now guys, come to the next photo and click on the effects option on here, and here you will apply zoom out effects for full duration. Okay, and have to done from here. Now again guys, come to the next joint, click on this joint and apply the zoom animation for full duration and have to done from here. And again come to the next joint, click on this joint and apply the zoom in animation for full duration, have to done from here. Okay, now guys, your video is completed. This video is very simple to make because you have to apply zoom and zoom in effects on your all photos. Only you will apply black animation on your first photo and have to apply zoom out effects on your sixth photo. Okay, now guys, in this way your video is completed. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from right hand corner and have to done from here. Then guys, you have to click on the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.